In this lesson, we will go over the process of archiving the oldest payroll year. When you're archiving your payroll for the year or you're archiving the fiscal year, you must be logged into the database administration for Sage 100 Contractor. Exclusive access is required to archive the payroll year. Before we start going through the process to archive the payroll year, there are a few items you should make sure have been completed prior to archiving the payroll year. We strongly recommend that you identify and correct any payroll errors and that you have a backup of the data file prior to starting the archiving process. To begin the payroll archiving, select Archive Company Data. Then select Archive Oldest Payroll Year. Select the data file that you are closing the payroll year for. Once you've selected the data file to archive, enter a payroll archive name. For the name of the archive, we suggest the year you're archiving and the words Payroll Archive or the letters PR for payroll. By using the year and payroll archive, it clearly designates that it's a payroll archive and you can continue to use the same naming convention year after year. Next, you have the option to remove employees with a status of quit, laid off, terminated, or deceased. Select the statuses of the employee records you would like to remove from the new year's company. If any employee's record is removed, it's only removed from the new year. The employee's record remains in the payroll archive. By selecting Approve each employee's removal, a message appears confirming each removal of the employees that fall within the specific statuses you selected. Once you've selected your employee options and entered an archive name, click Create Archive to begin. A message appears letting you know that all the payroll records will be deleted out of the new year's company. Click Yes to continue. Once the archive process and closing are complete, you will see a message here. If any employees were removed, you will see a message with the number of employees that were removed as well. Now that you have completed this lesson, you should be able to archive your payroll data.